Namaskaram. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwarah, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Shanti.
Real quick before we start, if you're watching this and not subscribed yet, you're missing out. Subscribing is free, takes 1 second, and premium content is coming soon exclusively for subscribers. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications.
Welcome to this exploration of the living mandala, the sacred language and science of mudras. We begin with the lexicon of the hands. In the classical Indian tradition, according to the Abhinaya Darpana, gestures are categorized into 28 asamyukta or single hand and 24 samyukta or double hand positions. The term mudra literally translates to seal, representing a spiritual law that preserves intent and prevents the dissipation of energy during meditation. In the Khmer tradition, these form an alphabet of nature, representing natural cycles from a shoot to a flower and finally to fruit. Turning to the living mandala and sacred geometry, we viewed the body as a microcosm. Dancers physically trace mandalas, spirals, enclosing squares to harmonize human energy with the divine cosmic order. This is exemplified by Tribhangi, the triple bind. In Orisi dance, the body is broken into geometric planes at the head, hip, and knees, mimicking the sacred geometry found in temple sculptures. In Tantrism, these are combined with yantras, the engines of realization, where upward triangles represent the masculine Shiva and downward triangles represent the feminine Shakti. Looking at regional masterpieces of sacred dance, we see the Khmer Apsara, or celestial nymphs, originating in the Angkor period. This dance uses thousands of gestures, known as Bak, requiring extreme flexibility where fingers bend backward at near 90-degree angles. In Taikon, a highly refined masked pantomime, color-coded masks and specific gestures identify character, rank, and identity, such as white for Hanuman. In Baline Sere Jangailad, the Ngaital movement aggressive motion symbolizes the manifestation of divine power within the dancer. The science of neurochoreography and healing reveals significant breakthroughs in 2026. Research indicates that vocalizing mantras alongside mudra practice increases alpha and theta brain wave activity, promoting a state of relaxed alertness. This complex cross-hemispheric coordination stimulates the prefrontal cortex, enhancing executive function and working memory. Consequently, mudras like Anjali and Dhyana are now used as somatic therapy interventions to treat anxiety, depression, and trauma. Finally, we examine the foundational gestures. Pataka, representing a flag or forest. Tripataka, for a crown or wiping tears. Ardha Chandra, the crescent moon or spear. Shikara, the peak or Shivalinga. Kapitha, for goddess Lakshmi or milking cows. Suchi, the needle or the number 1. Mayura, the peacock or bird. Alap Padma, the full-blown lotus. Anjali, the gesture of salutation and worship. And Katakamukha, used for plucking flowers or holding a necklace. Together, these elements form a sacred language that bridges the physical and the divine. Thank you.